Hey, welcome back to another 2-minute video on Python. In this video we're going to make some changes to our input statement so that we can just make it a little bit more user friendly, make it look a little bit better on screen. So I've got a simple program here where I've got a variable set up, it equals an input, what is your name, and the user has to type their name in and then it'll print out their name. Okay, so if I run this program, just hit run, it'll say what is your name, I'll type my name in Nick, and I'll hit enter and it'll re-say my name. Now the problem here is if you see right where it says what is your name, there's no question mark, there's no space, it just doesn't look right. And if you're a person who types on a computer regularly, you wouldn't really like to type the name Nick next to that. So what we can do is we can put a question mark in here, it's a question, what is your name? And we can put one space. Just hit space on the keyboard, and as long as that's inside the inverted commas, now when we run it, it'll look a lot better, and it'll be easier for the user to type, right? So let's run that. It'll ask to save. What is your name? I click here, and it looks much nicer, it works better. Now, the second little trick we can change to our input statement to make it a little bit better is we can do a type of verification on it or use it for validation later when we get into some other programs. In this case, I want whatever the person writes to come back in uppercase. So I'm putting in this little full stop upper and then 2 brackets, and then no matter how the user inputs the name, it'll come back as uppercase. All right, so I'll just run this again. You can have a look, see how that works. Hit run. It says, what is your name? And here I'll intentionally spell my name incorrectly with a capital C and a lowercase k. So capital N, small I, capital C, lowercase k. I hit enter and you'll see it prints out all in uppercase. And we can do exactly the same for lower. If you want to have it all lowercase, just put the word in lower, save the program, run it again. Again, I'll make some mistakes on the way that I write my name in on purpose, and you'll see it all comes out in lowercase.